Hello, students. So, good morning. So, I hope everyone is safe and good at home. Okay, and with the same spirit, with the same style, with the same smile, we would like to continue. We just will start the one more poem. Okay. So, last class we have seen a lesson that is beautiful lessons. I hope everyone is understood, has understood, and with the same spirit. So, just today I am going to take one more beautiful poem that is self reliances. Okay, so for memorizations it is written by Kathleen Delicato. So before going to start the poem, here the some read activities is there. So that is first one is pre reading activity. Many factors helps a person to attain success. Complete the chart of bubbles with the factors which helps you make your life meaningful. Okay, here the some are fill in the blanks like that. So to become a success there must be some factors considered. So like this many factors helps a person to attain success. Complete the chart of bubbles with the factors which help you make your life meaningful. See the in the middle it is that to win in life, so we must have self confidence. Okay, contentments, self discipline, again that we need hard work, self satisfaction, like that. So just to other two another two are there here, just to fill up at home and we'll see. After completing the chart of bubbles, name some people who had these qualities. Okay, so you may be knowing, you may be getting so many persons behind your around your atmosphere or neighbors or in your group, in your school, colleges, okay, and in the society. So those who are successful people, some just name of those friends, those successful persons. This poem tells you how self reliance helps a person win in life. The poet wants to depend upon herself even if she fails sometimes. She says she can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately it is her self confidence which helps her to take a royal road to success. Okay, so this poem is all about the self confidence of to win a life. So here the poet wants to depends upon herself even if she fails sometimes. Here the very important for winning a game, the winning of life, of winning of anything, is the most important topic is think is self confidence. So if you are having a self confidence, if you have self confidence, you can win definitely. Not today at least, you may fail one time, two times, three times, four times, but in the coming days definitely, so you are going to win. So in the practice or while doing or on your goal, you may fail sometimes, but finally you can definitely win the things. But for that you need self confidence. Regarding self confidence only this poem is all about. And if you lose sometimes, so you may ask to others for your help, but ultimately you may ask to 100 people, you may ask to 1000 people. Ultimately, if you have self confidence, then you can win the game, you can win the your life. So which helps her to take a royal road to success. If you are having confidence, definitely it is going to take you for the towards the road of success. Then let's start the poem. I realize now that I am alone. What is it? She said, I realized, I came to know that now I am alone. Okay, on myself I must learn to rely. Means there is no one to help me, I only have to decide, I only have to make the decision that only the self confidence will protect me. I have to begin to stand on my own. She said, I have to begin to stand on my own. Means I should stand alone, then only it is going to work out. If I fail, I must continue to try. Okay, in trying, in practicing, if I stand alone, even though I may fail in the practice, even though I may fail in the attempts, but I should not leave it, because winning is the ultimate thing. So I must continue of trying. I can ask others for their opinions. So sometime if I failed, or if I lose the things, I may ask to some others, those who are near, those who are experts. With those helps, with those students, with those teachers, with those well wishers helps, so I can win the game once again. So there is no hesitation for asking someone. So is here it author says I can ask others for their opinion, but ultimately it's I who will decide. Okay, but ultimately it's all I who will decide. I may ask to 100 people, I may ask to 1000 people. The ultimate thing is that I have to take my own decision. Then only I am going to win the game. In the if I fail also, so there are so many people to help me, I can ask to so many people, but thing is that ultimately I should win the game if I have a self confidence. So that's why I realize now that I am alone on myself. I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately it is I who will decide. So I will be the ruler of my domains. Okay, so determining which road I will take with pride. So here I am the own creator of my goal. I am the one responsible for which field I choose. I am the one responsible for which road I take, but determining which road I will take with the pride. So whichever route I take, I just take with the pride, I take with happily. Okay, I just go with the confidence, then only I can win the game. Though some may disagree with my choices. Yes. So see students, wherever you do something, wherever you go for doing good things, there are so many people to pull your leg. Is it? Isn't it? Okay. So there are so many people always behind you. If you are doing the good things, there are so many people to pull your leg. But if you are doing the bad things, there are no ones to stop you. So like that, if you are doing the good things, there are so many people to tease you. There are so many people pull your legs. Okay, but and some may disagree also. Some people say that you are doing the things wrong, you are not doing good. Okay, so intentionally they will tease you, intentionally they will pull you down, but it is only the self confidence. I repeat, it is only the self confidence that helps you and will go further to win the race of life. Okay, thinking they know a better path to take. So some people may disagree with your choices, some people may disagree with the road you choose. Okay, because they think that they know better than you. Okay, so they think that they know better than you, or they may give a better idea for your the path. So it is the things we should remember in our mind, that there are so many people, there are so many persons behind us. If you are doing good, okay, so definitely they will come and disturb you lot. But it is the thing you have to realize that I am the only person for my achieving goal. I am the only person to take care. I should responsible for my own choices. Thinking, okay. So some people may disagree with your choices. They may say this is not good. Whatever you are doing, it is not good. It is not meant for that one. You may not go. Okay, it is not a good thing. This field is not suitable for you. Okay, now you don't do because it cannot possible from you. There are so many people to tell and disagree with your choices. thinking they know are better than you. Why they will say like this means they think that they know better than you. So they may be knowing, but very few are like that. So very few are like that. They tell that so this route is not suitable for you. You may go to that side. This is not. You may not get succeed in this field. Choose next one. And like that, there are so many people will again. Some kind of people will come and tell that yes, this is a good choice. Okay, for you. This profile is suits for you. This profession, this work is suits for you. Just go ahead. And there are always 10 people who pull the legs, and there are always hardly 2 or 3% to take you to high. So always students, my dear students, always remember, if you are doing the good things, ask least person, ask very less persons. And if you are doing the bad things, no need to say, because people will not say anything. But if you are doing the good things, definitely God is there, someone will help you in some factors. Okay. Next, though people in abuse raise their voices, sometimes some kind of peoples are there, they will pull you down and they will raise their voice and just drag you to the down. Okay, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I began to learn how to stand alone, how to win. Okay, so again I just would like to repeat, there are so many people, they will raise their voice. Okay, they will say so many things. And finally, though people in abuse raise their voice while arguing, while discussing, while giving suggestions, while saying so many things, they may disagree with you and raise their voice. But the ultimate thing is that if you be on confident, if you stand alone with your words, if you stand alone with the confidence, so then there is no one to stop you. It's up to me, my destiny to make. My being true to myself, I began to learn. Okay, so if you stand alone also, you should be true to yourself. And that author is saying, yes, I want to stand alone myself, and I am true to my words always. Okay, I just believe in my God, I just believe in my confidence. So that's why, by being true to myself, I began to learn how to stand alone, how to win. And finally, the poet says, okay, ultimately, if I am true to myself, if I am honest to myself, if I am dedicated, okay, if I have a self-confidence, I can stand alone and win the game. And this is only the last she is saying. So being true to myself, I began to learn how to stand alone, how to. With this, students, just the poem just finished. So it's very beautiful poem, students. This we remember, we can apply it to our real life also. See, let's see some words here. So new words. Relay means trust or have faith. Okay. Dominion, territory with one ruler. Determine means decide. Path means route or course of action. Abuse means unkind. Okay, crucial words. Destiny means destiny, fate. Okay. So just for your kind information, so most of the students are not having textbook. Okay, as much as possible take early, because soon we are going to meet all. So soon May's class starts. Okay, so just I'd like to repeat once again. I just read once again the poem slowly. I realize now that I am alone. On myself, I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately, it's I who will decide. I will be the ruler of my domains, determining which road I will take with pride. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Though people in the in abuse raise their voice, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I began to learn how to stand alone, how to win. Okay, so for to win in the game, we must have self confidence, okay, self discipline, okay. So we must choose our right path, we have to work hard, and we have to make a practice of standing alone. Huh? So here it's a very beautiful poem, students. Huh? So here see some questions. Who is the speaker in the poem? Okay. Who is alone in this poem? What does the speaker decide to do if she fails? Who is the ruler of the speaker kingdom? How can the speakers convert her choice into a victory? Okay, so it's very easy poems, friends. I hope you have understood the things. And for the previous class things, so soon I'm going to send the notes. I hope you understood the last lesson. That is very good lesson. Okay, so a tiger in a house. So, and my dear students, for your syllabus there are 8 prose, 8 poems, and 3 supplementary are there. Okay, so from next class onwards, in the next class, just I would like to start the one more lesson, that is a soldier's son. That is very good lesson, very beautiful lesson. It's very easy to understand. And my dear students, so I think it's time to say one more good news to you all. So if everything goes well, soon we are going to meet all. But till that, okay, read carefully, make a notes. Okay, whatever I have told you for the grammar lessons, that you will write somewhere. And for this poem especially, it's very easy poem. Okay, soon I am going to send the notes for this one also. Means I will send the question answers. Write in separate notebook. And some of you have collected the textbooks. Okay, and very few students have replied for the things. Okay, so with this same spirit, same smile, just I would like to say, so today we have finished a beautiful poem, self lenses. Okay.